It happened so fast. It went from that to 4 hours later, we had 39 inches of water in our house. You have to come back to your house in a boat and you see everything floating. It's a sick feeling. And that's when desperation sets in. What are we going to do?
As you drive through the streets in the residential areas, you see that these folks' lives have been turned upside down, and it's really heartwarming to know that we're actually helping to put their lives back together.
We know what we're doing, and we've got the right equipment and the right people and the right processes.
The integration between the home office and the franchisees during this CAT is probably the best that it's ever been.
We've got mobilization from across the country with a number of our key employees and great franchise owners.
We have one of the largest projects going in Baton Rouge, with everyone working together.
We've got a few businesses that have been affected, their very own businesses, and yet they're out taking care of customers.
We seen the yellow trailers with the green ServiceMaster, we knew we had help. They're like angels coming in to help. And our neighbors are grateful, and our community will be bigger and stronger than ever when we finish this process.